This is Raj Madan. I'm co-founder of Krishani, and I'm a tool engineer by education, an artist by heart, and I love taking challenges and producing new products. In my professional journey of over 25 years, I've met so many companies and business owners who are dealing with different challenges at different stages during product development. They were having hard time in finding the companies who can put enough time in understanding their ideas and requirements in detail. Most of the times, the issue is not technical but lacks the system and the way the work needs to be done. After working with over 670 clients in 5 countries and in 17 industries, completing over 1,385 projects, we have developed a 4C framework which assures quality product with timely delivery. Our 4C framework includes concept designing, tool manufacturing, part creation, and continuous care. We have a total list of 119 checkpoints at different stages to make sure that everything gets done on time and nothing gets delayed at any stage. There's due date and they make sure to get it done ASAP. At Krishani, clients' data is kept secured and is accessible to only the people who are involved directly in your project. We keep your intellectual property secured and we sign an NDA for your peace of mind. All the clients get dedicated CRM for weekly progress updates so that they don't have to follow up or chase for the same. Krishani is a one-stop shop offering solutions from designing, tooling, production to packaging for rubber, plastic, silicone and metal parts. Our common processes